I just finished working out chest and triceps, and yesterday was an amazing day, courtesy to Ritsi Rani. Apart from that, I fucked up my 75-day hard challenge because I forgot to take a fucking picture, progressive picture. The challenge had 5 rules. The first rule was work out twice a day, once indoors and once outdoors. Second rule was drink a gallon of water. Third rule was maintain a diet and stick to it for 75 days, and you cannot eat anything apart from your diet. Fourth rule was a progressive picture every single day, which has to be taken. And fifth rule was reading 10 pages of a non-fictional book. Breaking any one of these rules, you have to start the challenge all over from beginning. I've been trying really hard to make sure that I've been doing everything, but yesterday I missed out on the picture. So 75-day hard challenge begins all over again. 100 to 0. Here we have Lalit. Yo Lalit, come back again. This is the second time I'm shooting this video because the first time I shot it, for some fucking reason this video had just got deleted. Come on Lalit. Here's Lalit. My first video was right there with Lalit.
And here we are a week again.
How's the progress? Do you see any change?
Obviously, first day,
In me.
yo, you only.
Uh-huh.
First day, he was dying to finish the video in 1 minute. But look at him now. He's going over a minute.
1 minute
5
40
minutes every
seconds.
day.
Okay. I have a question.
Again.
What is that?
Box, a cupboard,
Whatever the fuck that is. What is this?
window,
This.
door.
Okay, now coming to my real question. Come. If YES is yes, what is EYES?
EYS.
Fast, quick.
Ease.
I see dumb fuck. I see dumb fuck.
Okay,
Okay, go back to your workout now. Thank you for featuring in my video.
bye.
Bye. Okay, so 75-day hard challenge. One thing which you have to know is consistency. For me, consistency, I've understood what advantage does it give you being consistent, because 2 years or 3 years of going to the gym, to be honest, it's 4 years. But 3 years is what I consider going in properly, giving in my effort and time and energy in an effective manner. This is where productivity also comes in. I was in gym for around 3 hours, literally 3 hours for the first year, doing absolutely random bullshit. That's when I understood quality over quantity. The time did not matter. What the fuck I did in that time mattered. It's like you can keep yourself busy and be unproductive at the same time. So that's what I was doing, and that has helped me in a lot of areas. Right now, in my work life, that's what I use. I do not see the time, how much I'm spending. I compare my time in the sense, I compare it with the productivity. What the hell am I doing in this 1 hour? If I'm making 5 calls, I'll see it in such a way that can I make 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 calls, rather than just focusing on those 5 calls which I'm making. So it's productivity which is going to help you manage your time better. And yeah, I fucked up the 75-day hard challenge, which I'm going to begin again today. It's going to be fun. Oh, this guy's doing lunges. Look at that. This man's killing it. I'll meet you later.